When it comes to noise-cancelling earbuds, you know Sony's XM3 and Apple's AirPods Pro rank among the best. But the company like Bose isn't one to sit quietly for long either. So the company finally made a move into the premium TWS market with the QuietComfort Earbuds, which is also the first wireless earbuds from Bose to feature active noise cancellation. It is priced higher than both the Sony XM3 and the AirPods Pro, so the obvious question is it better than the competition? Well, let's find out exactly that after this short message from our sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is more than just a learning platform. It is a community of compassionate teachers and students that will help you hone your skill and learn something entirely new. With its massive catalog of bite-sized classes, acquiring a new skill has never been this easy. From animation, coding, photography to marketing, there's something for everyone. Classes are organized based on parameters like your personal skill set, length, etc., so one can get started right away. Furthermore, you can learn on the go with the Skillshare mobile app as well. So hurry up and sign up to Skillshare to enhance your skill set. The first 1,000 to click the link given in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. Alright, as usual, let's start things with the design. Right away, you can tell that these earbuds mean business. I mean, just look at their sheer size. These things look absolutely massive, and the AirPods Pro that I also have just fades away in terms of their physical size. Weighing 8.5 grams each, these are certainly not the most lightweight earbuds you could buy right now, and it kind of reminds me of the Sony XM3 instead. However, even though I faced issues with fit and comfort on the latter, Bose has really done a good job here. Having said that, your ears will express a sigh of relief once you take these earbuds out. I also had to change the ear tip to size 1 since the pre-installed one was rather big for my ears. Anyway, once you get the right fit, these indeed feel quite comfortable in the ears and do not come off that easily either. Plus, the passive noise isolation itself is pretty good as well. Every surface of the earbuds, from the ear tips to the fins, are made from soft silicone. These are also IPX4 sweat and water resistant, allowing you to take it to your exercise or gym sessions with no worry. Likewise, you get this big charging case, which makes it difficult to put it in your pocket. But the case is well built and feels premium. There's a button on the front of the case that you will need to press to unlock the earbuds themselves. It also has a dedicated Bluetooth button for first-time pairing. Similarly, the front of the case also features a row of LED battery indicators. As expected from premium wireless earbuds, these support Qi-certified wireless charging too. Moving on to the pairing side of things, Bose QuietComfort Earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.1. Sadly, there is no NFC connectivity here like the Sony XM3. Still, I found Bluetooth pairing to be adequately efficient and fast enough. Bose also promises a strong connection within 30 feet of your device. While that's never going to translate perfectly in real-life scenario, I found their effective range to be more than sufficient. Now, getting to the controls, these wireless earbuds feature a touch interface on both sides. Here, you can double tap the right earbud to play or pause a track or answer a phone call, while the same action on the left earbud toggles between 3 levels of noise cancellation presets. Similarly, long pressing the right earbud can trigger your phone's voice assistant or decline a call. On the other hand, you can customize to either skip a track or check the battery level on the Bose Music app by long pressing the left earbud. Finally, it lets you change the volume level by swiping up or down the right earbud. Moving on, the Bose earbuds also support wear detection and will automatically pause or play the music when you take it out or take it back from your ears and vice versa. Now, with all the nitty-gritty details aside, let's finally get into the noise-cancelling properties of the QuietComfort earbuds. To test its noise-cancelling capabilities, I compared it against Apple's AirPods Pro. And yes, this one definitely does a better job at concealing your ears from the ambient noise. Featuring 4 microphones in total, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds manages to deliver impressive, if not the best noise cancellation I've ever heard from a pair of wireless earbuds. On occasions where certain white noises like the TV playing or people talking manages to lightly pass through the AirPods Pro, the one from Bose remains effectively silent. Also, while Bose sounds natural and lively, the noise on the AirPods Pro comes off relatively distant and at times tinny. During my test, I also took them down the rowdy streets of Kathmandu to find out which one's better. From the noise of incoming traffic to other street noises, it's marginally yet significantly quieter on the Bose earbuds. And when you want to hear the outside world, you can toggle the ANC level to 0 just like the transparency mode on the AirPods Pro. I kind of prefer AirPods Pro's transparency mode simply because it sounds a little louder and maybe even a tad bit more natural. Regardless, QuietComfort Earbuds ambient mode is a step above just on or off like on the AirPods Pros. You can save 3 favorite presets of noise cancellation level ranging from 0 to 10, or you can manually set it using the Bose app. Stellar noise cancellation aside, the QuietComfort earbuds are no slouch when it comes to the audio quality either. Despite only supporting SBC and AAC codecs, it offers a rich, vibrant sound that you'd expect from a premium pair of wireless earbuds. Its active EQ technology, which dynamically adjusts the audio frequency range depending upon your volume level, is something of a head-turner. Thanks to this, even in low volume, I could enjoy the music in full glory, whereas the AirPods Pro sound flat on low volumes. But the active EQ does not work all the time, and in some songs like in I Love You Like an Alcoholic by the Taxpayers, a similar level of detail is marginally missed, and at times the bass can get really muddy. Cranking up the loudness, the sound quality from the Bose is natural, spacious, and not at all piercing. Likewise, on certain scenarios, I could even notice that the QuietComfort earbuds sounded slightly punchier. On a similar note, instrumental separation is fantastic as well, and so are the mids, highs, and bass. On to acoustic songs, I found the audio output to be slightly warmer and more natural on the QuietComfort earbuds than on the AirPods Pro. Also, at full volume, the occasional high-frequency harmonica comes off a bit streaky on the AirPods Pro and somewhat shadows the strings. Watching movies or other similar content is bliss as well, and there is no latency. The audio and the video sync up perfectly. Moving on, the QuietComfort earbuds handles phone calls pretty well too. Thanks to its excellent microphone setup and its top-notch ANC, I have never received any complaints while calling different people. On the other hand, they would describe my voice as clear, noise-free, and audible. There's also this neat option inside the Bose Music app that allows you to switch how loudly you like to hear your voice, therefore preventing you from speaking too loud when unnecessary. Finally, let's get into its battery life. And this might be that one area where Bose has left me wanting for more. Although 6 hours of claimed battery endurance is fairly common in wireless earbuds with ANC, considering its physical size, I wish it lasted for a couple of hours more. Listening to music at 80 to 100% volume with ANC at level 10 most of the time, I managed to get 5 to 5.5 hours of juice. Charging up the QuietComfort earbuds takes rather long though. Via the USB Type-C cable, it takes 2 hours to get the earbuds to 100%, whereas the case requires an hour more. However, this charging case can charge the earbuds twice, so that's nice. To wrap it all up, as I've discussed throughout this review, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds is easily the new champion in the premium noise-cancelling wireless earbuds industry. Although the company was a little late to enter this market, the excellence of this product more than makes up for the delay. Still and all, its bulky design could be an instant turn-off to many. While its direct competition like Apple's AirPods Pro offers a much sleeker build quality with a greater degree of comfort and, might I add, a cheaper asking price, the QuietComfort earbuds have some work cut out for it. So that was all for our in-depth review of the Bose QuietComfort earbuds. Do let us know in the comments below what you think about this product, and also do not forget to subscribe to Gadget Byte and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on our awesome content. Till then, I'm Pratima and I'll see you in the next one.